High velocity thermal spray, or HVTS, does not induce any thermal stress in your substrate during application. So while we're spraying the metal droplets on your surface, the maximum temperature that surface sees is well below where you would have any metallurgical change. This means there is no heat affected zone, there is no requirement for post-weld heat treatment, and no thermal stress is put into that substrate which could cause further problems, for example, distortion of the asset or potentially stepwise or crosswise cracking if you have existing damage within the base material. So to eliminate any risk of thermal stress creating more challenges or more issues, use a technology like high velocity thermal spray, which completely mitigates that risk.